Okay, so we've been looking at some eschatological things, and um, a lot of it is in keeping with some of the things that I was initially taught um, about the Antichrist, the false prophet, Revelation chapter 13, Mark of the Beast, and the globalization of the world's economic, religious, um, and geographic areas. Now, one of the main things that we have to start to consider is the role of the false prophet. We're looking at a potential situation of a religious leader of some sort that will point the world. The false prophet will point the world to the beast. And the Bible says that he will cause them to receive the mark or the name or the number of the name of the man of sin on their forehead or on their right hand. This is where the mark of the beast will go. It will go either here or it will go here. Now, that being the case, I've been doing some more studying on the nature of who this Antichrist is that the false prophet is pointing to. And I've come to some new discoveries, some new possibilities and potentialities of this beast. Number one, we need to remember that the scriptures note that the beast was, is not, and shall be. So he existed, does not, at this time of the writing, 95 AD, and shall exist again. Now, most eschatological teachers have stated that they believe the beast will be someone like a Bill Clinton or a Barack Obama, a Ronald Reagan, an Adolf Hitler type. When it comes to dealing with the demise of the beast, this is usually inferred to as the belief that the Antichrist at some point while he's alive will receive a mortal wound, and then he'll come back to life, and the whole world will be stunned and will marvel at the beast and say, who is like unto the beast? Who is able to make war with him? But we need to remember something. The beast, the Antichrist of Revelation 13, the first beast who cometh up out of the sea, receives a wound and lives later. He was, is, and is not. He was, is not, and yet is again. And he cometh up out of the abyss, the bottomless pit. And we need to remember that Revelation notes that during the tribulation, the abyss, the bottomless pit, will be opened. And many demonic beings will come out of it, tormenting men. And they will have a leader over them. And his name in the Greek is Apollyon. Apollyon. And that's important. Because the demonic activity that comes up out of the abyss is the same place where the Antichrist comes from. And the Antichrist comes up out of the abyss. And his name is Apollyon, which means destroyer. Therefore, my theory now is this. A man will be chosen upon the earth. He himself is not supernatural. He did not exist before, does not exist, and will exist again. No. The demon Apollyon ruled the world through various names such as Nimrod, Osiris, Apollyon, Apollo. These are the mythical gods that are not myths after all, as truth is often stranger than fiction. The demon will possess a man on earth. And then you will have your true Antichrist, the true son of Satan. And just as it is written in Genesis chapter 3 verse 15, he shall bruise your head. No, he shall crush your head, and you shall bruise his heel. The seed of the woman and the seed of the devil. And what is the seed of the devil? It is Apollyon, the Antichrist.